Counting. Mock poll in control unit erased, but mock poll VVPAT paper slips not taken out. On poll day, P plus 1 scrutiny day or counting day, if we came to know that the mock poll in control unit erased, but mock poll VVPAT slips not taken out, then during counting, the concerned control units will be set aside. These polling stations will not be counted in the normal round-wise counting. So in this educational video, we have learned the steps what to do if the mock poll data is removed, but the VVPAT slips are not taken out from the VVPAT drop box. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos and rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.